Hey guys, this question asks, what is the conjugate base of 3-hydroxybenzoic acid? And we're given here 3-hydroxybenzoic acid. The compound is luckily given to us. It's not a very difficult question in terms of the theoretical understanding what is needed. We all know what acids and bases are, but this is one of those questions that you'll definitely see on your standardized tests that are basically designed to trick you. It's a question that it's designed to trip you up and kind of confuse you. And if you look at the answer keys and you kind of see what's going on, it's very easy to in the heat of the moment, you only have, a certain amount of, you have like maybe a minute per question, and you're trying to hurry, you're trying to save as much time. It's so easy to kind of, make these silly mistake where you select the acid instead of the base, or the base instead of the conjugate base, or whatever. And so, so that's why, you have to really, that's why these exams of ours are specifically designed to test you in that way and to give you that sort of exam day feel to it, so that you can, get all these silly mistakes out of the way now, so that when you get to the real exam, you're prepped for it. So I'm looking for the conjugate base. Now, what is a base again? Remember, a base is going to be a proton acceptor. So in other words, you want excess electron density. You want electron density that's going to grab a proton. So you want this compound to be negatively charged. Okay. So in other words, I want to know first which one of the protons here is going to be most acidic. So we have a phenol on this side, and phenols typically have a pK of around 10. And here we have a carboxylic acid, typically with pKs between 4 and 5. So I know that this proton here will be the most acidic, so therefore the conjugate base of this compound is going to be that, with the negative charge on the carboxyl oxygen atom. If I look at compound A, it has 2 negative charges. That's not the conjugate base of this. That's the conjugate base of this base. Okay, so, and those compounds are relatively unstable anyway because it's too much charge in such a small amount of space, basically. So A is out. B is obviously going to be our conjugate acid of this compound, so B is incorrect. That's one of those distractor answers that's trying to get you to make a mistake. C is also an example of a conjugate acid of this. D would be the incorrect conjugate base, and then finally E is our correct answer, exactly the way we like it. So the answer is going to be E here. Simple as that. Don't make mistakes on these seemingly easy questions, guys. If you have any questions on this one, though, feel free to send me an email, and I'd be happy to explain things in more detail. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your studies.